Alright, we have about 5 minutes to market open. So basically, since we are above this level, if we do not break above this level, if we start pushing to the downside below this level, I might take a sell trade, or I will take a sell trade. I'm selling. I'm selling right there. I'm selling right there. So you can see you ended up pushing all the way to the upside. Like I said, we have sellers at this level. So for us to start pushing below this level, which we have sellers below, I feel like we should start pushing to the downside. Alright, so those are my TP levels. TP1 is going to be just below the opening, just below the low of the 930 candle. And then TP2 would be all the way here. So if TP1s get hit, then stops to break even, as we always do. Then let the remaining run. So like I said, I still feel like we should push to the downside. If we don't, that means the buyers are still in control, because like here, I was literally like thinking of buying if we broke above this level. But like I said, if we start to push below, because we ended up going so deep into this level here, so I was like, if we go above this level, I would buy, because that means the buyers are really in control. But for us to reach this level and push all the way down, bro, if we do that, remember below this level here, we have people selling. So if we push below this level, then I feel like we should sell to the downside. So it is what it is. That's basically what I felt we should do. That's basically what I felt we should just do. Wait, this is it right there. Yeah. I'm only taking one trade today. Whatever price wants to do, it should do it. Yeah, trading views and liquid charts platform are showing the same, are showing different stuff. Because if someone was to take this trade on trading view, most likely they would have entered a buy. Because if you notice here, I drew the horizontal line at this level, but we ended up going a little bit above it on trading view. But on liquid broker, we obviously didn't go above that level. If we can push below this level, that shows that the sellers are definitely in control. Because some people might want to buy here because they feel, oh, at 9:30, price ended up pushing all the way to the upside, so they might want to do it again. So what I really want sellers to keep on doing, or what I feel like they are doing, is to keep selling, so that we can go below this level and then keep pushing to the downside. And this time, I don't want to see us respect this level, since I'm targeting, since I have another target below, right there. Yo, we were so close. Alright, that's target one hit. Oh my god, stops to break even. Damn. Oh my god, look at that reaction. Stops to break even right there. Damn. Alright, we out. I break even. Yo, that was crazy. That was crazy. Yo, that was good though. That was good. Look. Yo, look at that reaction. Yo, I thought I was gonna miss out on putting my stops to break even. Yeah, but my other account did well. My other account did well. We had about, because I'm trading on two accounts basically. Um, I know I haven't really like said what I do, but like the reason why I keep looking at this other screen is because I'm actually taking the same trade on another account. But this time, the other account is that I'm only taking going for one to ones, same position, same lot size, but I'm only going for one to ones. Because sometimes I might just want to go for one to ones, and then sometimes I might just want to go for one to twos. So what I'm doing on this main account is after I want. Yo, what? Yo, wait, just mute for a second. So basically, what I'm doing on this account is when I go for a one to one, I close out half of my position as you already saw there, and then put my stops to break even. While on the other account, which I traded here, after a one to one, I close all my trade. So basically the same stuff here, but closing on my trade on the other account. So on the other account today we caught about 96 pips on the other account. While on this account we only caught about 48 pips, basically. We caught about 48 pips. Because on the other account here, which I'm looking at right now, we had 48 pips since I entered with two positions. So 48 pips. But this account we only um got we only got 48 pips on this account. So in total that was about 100 and something pips. Well, man, yo, you guys literally saw the reaction of that, right? You guys literally saw it. That's why I had to target this level, because as you can see, we had people buying at this level. So that was basically it. I don't know, that was a good way to start their week, but it is what it is. So yeah, that'll be basically. So let me just break down today's trade, why I took it. Alright. So as you can see here, like I already said, I didn't really want to mark out this level because I wasn't really looking for buys. I already know there were people selling at this level, so I wasn't really looking for me entering a buy trade at this level. So even if price started breaking above, I wasn't really caring because, bro, there's literally nothing much doing, nothing price is doing here. We just broke above here and did some consolidation and then it broke back down. So in my head, I'm like, yo, a market open, if we push above this level, like, bro, I'm not really seeing any huge moves to the upside. I'm just seeing price dropping again. So I'm like, alright, if we push above this level and we drop and start to drop, I might take a sell trade because look, I already drew a horizontal line at this level saying if we push above this level, I should buy because here people are selling. So if buyers start to push above this level, which already did, showing us that buyers are kind of in control. So in order for me to be fully sure that buyers are fully in control, I want to see price pushing above this level. That way I will know that yeah, you guys are definitely in control. But instead, what did we do instead? Instead of pushing to the upside above this level, we ended up just retracing to the downside. And for us to have this huge retracement, that means that there are some sellers sitting at this level, meaning that sellers really want to sell at this level. So we started pushing below this level. And notice when we start pushing below this level, remember sellers are below this level. So if we start pushing below this level, we should obviously definitely sell. So I ended up selling, went for a 1-to-1 at this level. And as you can see, as soon as price tapped into that level, we ended up really bouncing so hard. As you can see, I feel like it's really strong trampoline. As soon as we tapped into that, bounced off immediately, showing us that yeah, that truly buyers at this level. Price might keep pushing to the downside only if we break below this level. But to be honest though, this was actually a good level for me to have just close all my positions since we have people buying here. But like I said, I have two accounts that I'm trading. I prefer going for 1-to-2s on this account, and on the other account, I prefer just going for a 1-to-1. So as you can see here, we're already tracing deeper and deeper and deeper. If we start breaking below 0 we're definitely going to target you. We are definitely going to target you. I will literally watch this with you guys. We are definitely going to target you. We should even reach at least these levels. At least these levels. Well, we are not coming back up here until target 2 gets hit. I will literally like sit back and then watch this hit target 2. By the way, I'm out of this trade. You guys already saw it. But I already know what price is going to do. We broke below that level. And below this level, you can see people are selling. People sold. Above this level, people are buying. So we are not going back up to this level until we end up pushing all the way to the downside. Like, just keep watching and I'll show you guys. Like, it's literally going to play in front of you guys' eyes. So it's not just about you join some, I don't know. I just want things to be easy for you guys, man. And I'm doing this all for free. I'm showing you guys this all for free. I don't want you guys to feel like trading is so complicated, bro. Like, bro, just know where buyers and sellers are because that's how the market moves. People are always buying, people are always selling. So you just need to know exactly where they are. I don't know why the market just stopped moving all of a sudden. Yo, is it my Wi-Fi or what? Oh yeah, price definitely did hit target too. Yeah, yeah, it's kind of lagging. It's kind of lagging, but look, it's kind of lagging on this. You already hit target two on this. Yeah, it's already hit target two on this account. But on this account, it's lagging. Yeah, as you can see, bro. Like, bro. Like, bro. Look, like, bro. So, yeah, I just want this shit to be like, I don't want, you see what I mean? Like, yeah, it was lagging, so literally just hit, like I said, bro, like, bro, it's not like I'm saying this is the best strategy, but bro, you guys need to Like, just understand what the market is doing. All I draw is boxes. All I draw is boxes, bro. Like, I know I'm not saying I'm the best trader. I'm not saying I'm the, this is the best strategy out there, but you just need to understand that the people controlling the market aren't doing anything more than buying and selling. Price is going to reach a specific level and then drop all the way because the sellers feel like this is a good opportunity or this is a good area for them to sell. When the buyers push price up again into that level, remember people already sold at this level. Sellers are obviously in the market at this level. So when price goes back into this level, what do you think will happen? Do you think the buyers want to keep on buying, or do you think there will be more sellers than buyers? Obviously, there will be more sellers than buyers because sellers already came to the market at this time and then dropped. So when price comes back into this level again, they're obviously gonna be like, oh, this was the same price we obviously sold, so let's sell again, and they will obviously sell. Like that's literally it, bro. This strategy should be easy for you guys, man. Like it's not even complicated at all. It's not complicated. Literally not complicated, bro. But yeah, that'll be basically. I really just want you guys to learn, man. That's all. Like just capitalize off of the market. Don't. I see people saying trading is hard. Man, trading is hard if you're using a hard strategy and everything is complicated to you. But yo, like, man, it is what it is, man. And yeah, that'll be basically it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.